Struggling with skincare? Today we are going to dive into must-have skincare products that will transform your routine. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hello, bonjour, ni hao, assalamu alaikum, namaste. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back to my channel. And on today's video, we'll be talking about skincare. Must-have skincare products you will include in your skincare routine, and this is going to transform you. So if you are interested in this kind of video, keep on watching. Your skin is your largest organ and first line defense. A consistent skincare routine will help you stay youthful, healthy and radiant. So on today's video, I'm going to give you must-have skincare products you will include in your skincare routine, and this is going to transform you. There are different kinds of skin. We have the dry skin, the oily, the combination of both, the sensitive skin, and your skincare routine is based on your skin type. The kind of product you use is based on the kind of skin you have. So you want to first of all know, what is your skin type? Are you the dry skin type? Are you the oily skin type? Are you the sensitive skin type? Or you're the combination of some two? So you have to first of all know that before you can know what kind of product to incorporate in your skincare routine. So now let's talk on the different kind of skincare products you must have, and let's begin with the first one. The first one we have on our list are cleansers. Cleansers remove dirt and makeup on your skin. So you want to go in for gentle cleansers as your skin is very sensitive. You want to ensure the cleanser you are using is going to do the work. It's going to remove all the dirt and makeup on your skin. Cleansers are the first product you always apply on your skin. So you want to make sure you are going in for the right cleansers, as these cleansers open up your pores, the pores of your skin, so that when applying other skincare products, they are going to penetrate directly. You want to opt for gentle foaming cleansers, as this is going to help remove all the dirt and makeup on your body. Now we are going to move to the next one. The next one we have on our list are toners. Toners prepare your skin for better absorption of other skincare products which you are going to apply on your skin. So you want to opt for alcohol-free toners or exfoliating toner. Toners are very important in your skincare routine, and they are a must-have skincare product you must include in your skincare routine. Now we are going to move to the next one, which are serums. For serums, you want to target serums based on a specific concern. Serums like serums for acne, serums for hydration, serums for anti-aging. This is just going to be based on your personal preference. So as like for me, I have a dry skin. If I'm targeting serums, I will go for serums for hydrating serums, and this is just depends on you. If you have acne, you're going to target serums for acne. So this is just a personal preference, and it's going to be based on your body type or your skin type. So for serums, that is what you want to opt for. And now we are going to move to the next must-have product in your skincare routine, and the next one we have are moisturizers. Moisturizers help to nourish your skin. You help to lock up all the previous skincare products which you've applied. So that is just the use of moisturizers. Moisturizers help to hydrate your skin. It nourishes your skin. It makes your skin have that clear look, that consistent look. Moisturizers are very important in a skincare routine. You must apply moisturizers every day, especially if you are the dry skin type. Now you're going to buy moisturizers based on your skin type. As I said in the beginning of the video, you must know your skin type before you can get all these products. You're going to buy moisturizers based on your skin type. We have moisturizers for dry skin, we have moisturizers for oily skin, we have moisturizers for sensitive skin. So you're going to include moisturizers based on your skin type. For this video, I don't want to recommend any product. You know the product you have been using, just look for the one that best fits you and you go in. Another tip I'll give you for moisturizers are, if you are dry skin, you want to go in for thick creams. This cream, once you apply on your body, is going to penetrate right into your skin. So you want to opt for that if you have dry skin. And if you are an oily skin, you want to go in obviously for lightweight moisturizers, as already you are oily. You don't want to increase the oil on your skin. So you want to go in for lightweight moisturizers. And now we're going to move to the next must-have skincare product to include in your skincare routine. The next one we have on our list are sunscreen. For sunscreen, we cannot overemphasize on this. Sunscreens are must-have because it prevents you from UV rays, so it's a must-have, especially on your face. Sunscreen prevents premature aging, and for sunscreen, you want to go in for mineral-based sunscreen. These are the perfect recommended kind of sunscreen you want to go in for. You want to avoid chemical-based sunscreen because sometimes if you have sensitive skin, these chemicals might react to your skin very fast. So you want to avoid those kind of sunscreen. So that is it for the must-have skincare product you must have in your skincare routine. Also, if you want to elevate your look, you might add hydrating or detoxifying face mask. This is going to help hydrate your face or detoxify your face. And with this, you must have to take special precautions because face masks, you don't need to apply them every day. Also, you might include eye cream into your must-have skincare product. Eye cream specifically for those who have dark under eye circles, this might be of great help to you. So if you have dark under eye circles, you might want to include eye cream into your must-have skincare product. Also, you can add retinol for anti-aging. It's for anti-aging and it is optional. If you want to include these 3 products that I just named, you can include them also in your must-have skincare products. So now we are going to move to mistakes to avoid for this skincare product. So now we're going to move to mistakes to avoid for this skincare product. Like I said previously, our skin are very sensitive, and so you must try as much as you can to avoid anything that is going to destroy your skin. So we are going to talk on the mistakes to avoid for this skincare product. The first one we have are over exfoliation. You want to avoid over exfoliation of your skin, as this is going to take out the natural barriers on your skin and cause redness on your skin. So you want to avoid stuffs like that. And the next kind of mistake you want to avoid is skipping sunscreen. You want to avoid these mistakes because if you skip your sunscreen, other products that you apply on your skin like vitamin C might not penetrate into your skin. So you want to avoid skipping sunscreen. And now we are going to move to the last mistake you should avoid. And the last mistake we have is avoid using so many products. Using so many products might cause your skin more harm than good. You might think you're helping yourself by using this product, using this one, using this one, using this one, but no, you are destroying your skin. You want to avoid using so many products because you might not even know which one works and which doesn't work by increasing product conflict. So you want to avoid stuff like that. Also, using too many products increases the risk of irritation and reduce effectiveness of individual products. So you want to avoid using so many products. So guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy this video, do not forget to like, comment and share the video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.